How to delete Expedia search history. Expedia is an online travel agency that allows travelers to book flights, hotels, rental cars, cruises, and vacation packages. To delete your search history on Expedia, you can follow these steps depending on the device or platform you're using. Visit Expedia's website and sign in with your account credentials. Tap on the profile icon and navigate to the setting option. Under Account Management you will see Clear Search and Saved Data option. Click the option. After that, tap the Continue button. Then your account will sign out automatically and you have to sign in again. If you are unable to find a clear option, Expedia may not allow direct deletion of search history, in which case clearing cookies or contacting Expedia customer support could help. Expedia is part of Expedia Group, an American travel technology company that also owns and operates other travel brands. Thanks for watching.